What animal is that? Yes, it's a parrot. What color is the parrot? Oh, there's a white parrot. Look, there's a white parrot. Hi. Look. A cockatoo. What color is that parrot? What? White. Hi everyone, we finally made it to the fun park. It's Wednesday morning and we're at the Ferma Animalelor. It's only 30 minutes from home and it's the twins' very first time here. Alpaca. Where you wanna go first? Where are we? Huh? Where are we? We are at the farm. Hi, go. A baby. Is that a baby goat? Those are big goats. Goat, Bobby, goat. Meh. What's the sound of the goat? Meh. Another sheep. Where's the cat? What's that? Alpaca, I think. Llama or alpaca? Yes, it's another animal. What animal is that? I think it's alpaca. Yeah, it's a llama. This one is llama. What do you call this animal? Llama. Where are you going? Hi, let's go. Let's go here. It's a llama. Alpaca. I think this one is alpaca. That one is llama. What animal? What animal is that? Yeah, it's a goat. What color? What color are the goats? Okay, let's go there. Yeah, they're playing on the swing. Oh! Hi! Hi, pony! It's a pony, Bobby. A small horse. It's a pony, Bobby. Pony. Mommy's here. Hi! Hi, pony! Hello, horse! Hi, let's see the cow. Look, there's a cow. Where are you going? You don't care about the cow.
So dirty.
So dirty.
Water.
Yeah, the water is so dirty.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, what animal is this, Mommy?
It's a cow. Buffalo. It's a buffalo.
Oh, I know.
It's like a cow, but not a cow. It's buffalo. Hi, buffalo.
I go for you.
Hi, let's go there. Look, this one is
Ow, what animal is this?
it's a duck. And this one is an ostrich. Hi, ostrich. Say hi, ostrich. Geese. A three big geese. How many are they? Three. Do you see the rabbits? Rabbit. They're running. It's so bright. What's the color of the eyes, Bobby?
Red.
Red. It's color red.
I know.
What is that? Oh, look! What's this? A peacock. Do you see the peacock? Don't put your face there. It's a peacock, Bobby. A chicken. Oh, that's a rooster.
No, no kunin mo na.
That's a big rooster. Hi, rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes. Hi. Wow. Is it nice? Is it nice? You wanna touch? Look, touch. Come here. Come here. No, she's just friendly. Hi. You touch it. The other one wants to be touched too. Hi.
Hello.
Doesn't want. Hi, let's go. Let's go, girls. Here. Careful, okay? You have to hold, mommy. You have to hold.
Down, 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 down. See?
Watch your step, okay? After walking around for about an hour, the twins were definitely getting hungry, but we easily found a nice table to sit down and have a snack. Do you like the chicken?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Lara, are you having fun? Yeah? So beautiful cat. Waiting for your food, so don't drop it. Look, they're waiting for your food. The cat wants to eat, Bobby. Tati, she wanna try it. Gata? I give it to the cat. Yeah.
Oh, Mom!